Hi everyone, my name is Arif Nichani and I'm currently studying the IB Diploma program at Podar International School. So, the IB Diploma program is a research oriented, application based program wherein the motive of the curriculum is to question the real world application of the knowledge rather than definitions and question answer system of the traditional curriculum. Um, it's more of applying your knowledge into case studies and more innovative based methods that sort of replicate and simulate real world methods rather than writing mucked up answers to questions. So the IB diploma program has six core subjects, each comprising of 7 grade points, three subjects at standard level and three subjects at higher level. You may also choose to take four subjects at higher level and two subjects at standard level. So English is a compulsory subject, usually offered either as English language and literature or just English language, or just English literature, or second language either usually Hindi, French, or Spanish in India. Mathematics at either analysis and approaches, which is usually more of calculus in addition to the other components of the mathematics curriculum, or mathematics application and interpretation, which is more of statistics and probability. You are also required to take one science and one social science, and your sixth subject can be either visual arts or an additional science or social science. In addition to these six core subjects comprising of 7 points each that make up your 42 points, it there are another 3 points for which there are an additional two core no, sorry, an additional two components accounting for the remaining 3 grade points. Theory of knowledge is one of those subjects which questions why you know what you know, and the extended essay, which is a 4,000 word essay on one of your chosen subjects. In addition to this, you're also required to to complete research papers in the remaining four subjects, like the core subject, four core subjects, the sciences, social science, math, and either visual arts or the other social sciences, and an individual oral in English and Hindi. Um, you're also required to complete the creativity, activity, and service part of the IB, which is usually community service or any sort of creative activity that you've done over the 2 years. And this is a necessary requirement to sort of pass and gain your diploma. So I think the IB is a perfect curriculum for anyone looking to gain confidence and perspective from their education, since the IB has a very strong belief that no answer is right or wrong as long as you provide a non contradictory, valid justification. I think the curriculum is also a perfect mix to discover your options and be sure before university, since it allows you the opportunity to judge how you sort of experience these subjects in university. And I think the curriculum is somewhat gives you a taster of what you will actually study at university. So it's the closest to what I would call an ideal education system.